Hi guys! Welcome back to this channel. Ayan, I will show you guys the weather today. It's very nice. Look at that guys. Near and by our house, we have here 20 grad Celsius, our weather. Sige. Agoy! Yeah. And then guys, I'll show you that street here, and the weather is very hot guys. And look at the street here guys, it's full of trees beside the street because the purpose is if some bad weather, it's the trees support the street and the vehicles like that, and there's a purpose, and you can see the beautiful view, the winter, and also in winter you can see all the snow over the trees up there, and it's very nice to see. And also in summer, you see the trees are full of leaves, and winter, spring like that. Spring is also nice. Yes, I love also spring, and also what's that? Basta guys, ang ganda. Yan guys, nakikita nyo yung wraps yan guys. Canola field. Tumutubo na siya. Yeah, canola field guys. This is the weather today. So if you can see guys, I'm driving here in inside the village. I'm here now in Groesvanstorf. Ayan. I am going to go to the supermarket, and I will go to the Baumarkt or Bauhaus, and I will buy some flowers, and then I will plant that in my garden. And also I want to buy some groceries in the supermarket, some beautiful flowers to plant in my garden. It's also nice. Look at the garden guys here. They have so many beautiful flowers na in front of the yard, and also at the backyard. And this is also a canola field guys. Dyan. Mga canola field yan dyan. So it's beautiful to see the guys field. Ang ganda yan pag mag harvest na. It's also nice if they harvested the canola plants. Ayan. So it's very nice. This is the beautiful weather today guys. It's very hot. 19 grad guys. And also wait lang guys, for fat ended clits. Nasa Valstorf na tayo guys, Northwest Mecklenburg. So, ang ganda ng weather today guys, diba? Ayan. It's so nice. A wonderful day. It's a wonderful night. Ayan. Ganda ng araw. Oh my goodness. Ang ganda ng araw. Doon guys, yung may dagat doon kami nangingisda kami, yan dyan, may dagat. So malapit lang yung dagat sa amin guys. Pag mangisda kami, So isda na lumabas kasi every time na lalabas yung canola field, yung nagyayelo na yung mga tanim nila dyan, it's time na lalabas yung isda na mga hornhead yung tinatawag nila. Sa English, ano ba yan? Spitz fish ba yun? Basta, mahaba yung matulis yung bunganga ng isda. Translate nyo na lang guys, German yung hornhead. Tapos translate nyo na lang sa English, yeah? Ang langaw! May langaw dito. Labas. Langaw, labas. Labas, langaw, labas. Hindi, dito ka talaga dito sa Ayan ganda ng weather dito guys. It's so nice weather today. The weather is very, very nice. Ang ganda ng bahay nila, bungalow house. There's so many beautiful houses here guys in my place, but if you buy some house here, it's very expensive guys. So most of people here living in Germany, it's the German people, they are only renting a house or a flat or apartment because you can save money. Because if you buy some houses here or house, you don't need to go to holidays, you didn't need to go to buy beautiful things that you want because of your salary. It's enough to pay monthly. Yeah, it's so difficult sometimes. If you have maybe a good business, so you can buy like this houses, but for me, in my salary, I cannot afford to buy house. That's all guys. So it's stoplight, and then I will turn right here, and after the red lights I will turn right, and then turn right. Ayan, it's green na, green grass na. Weather today guys. Thank you guys for watching. Ayan, di lang ako magsasalita guys ha, kasi kailangan ko mag-concentrate mag-drive, kasi pag hindi tayo mag-concentrate tayo, disgrasya tayo guys. So we need to concentrate driving guys. Driving time. Hi. Ayun. Hi. It's so nice weather today. It's so nice. Mamaya will go to the garden. Magga-garden din ako mamaya, guys. Oo. Kasi kailangan ko nang magtanim. Magtatanim na tayo, guys. Oo. This is it, pancet. Yung stick swivel na in-order ko, hindi dumating. Yung onions na itatanim ko, guys, na in-order ko, hindi siya dumating. Connect na? So, na-try mo na siya paano paanda rin?
Dito, pwede ko na siya dito sa cellphone i-on.
Oo.
Ayan na, nag-on lang siya, oh.
Yan. Okay.
Okay.
At least, diba, nag-on na siya. Sa akin, di ko pa na-try sa akin. Kailangan, dami ko pa nga anuhin eh. Pag-aaralan doon. Hindi ko pa napag-aralan. Tamang-tama, pinturahan ko kaya ng bago yung aking garden house. Kasi sabi ko, pinturahan ko yun kapag mainit. Hanggang anong oras mag-init pa rin, Jeng? Init din ba bukas, Jeng? Tingnan ko nga, may pipinturahan pala ako dun. And guys, we're gonna VMV. Punta ako mamaya sa Hagi Baumart. Ano tayo mamaya, guys? Hagi Baumart tayo. Punta ako dito sa Mez shopping mall. Dito tayo sa Mez shopping mall, guys. Dito na lang ako mag-park. Sa pinakaharap talaga. ko, ang init. Wala pala akong ibang jacket. Paano ba to?
Yan, nag-ano ka pa eh. Sabi mo malamig.
Nag-wither, Agoy, patay, Jud. Tapos nagsikip pa naman ang mga suot ko, oh. Pangit to, oh, sikip. Titingnan nila ako ba? Okay, guys.